First, we had a table of values. Second, we had the graphs. Third is exactly the same, but now they give you equations. See if you can figure out f of g of 9 and g of f of 9 first on your own. All right, let's check how you did. So I want to find f of g of 9, what it's equal to. And off to the side, in the purple here, this would be work I do off to the side. Off to the side, I might figure out what g of 9 is. Well, how do I figure out g of 9? I would plug 9 into g of x, so it would be 2 times 9 plus 1, negative 18 plus 1. I would get negative 17. So g of 9 is negative 17. That means that f of g of 9 now becomes f of negative 17, which is going to equal, and again, off to the side, I might figure out f of negative 17 on its own. It's going to be negative 17 squared plus 3 times negative 17. Is that 238? Yeah. Anybody yes? Okay. So then I would get 238. Because negative 17 squared is 289, and 3 times negative 17 is negative 51. 289 minus 51 is 238. Now for B, I want to figure out g of f of 9. Whoops. In the composition of functions, I sometimes like to change my brackets. My first brackets are bigger, and my inside brackets are smaller, just so I know what goes with what. Because sometimes you have so many brackets, you might not remember what goes with what. And again, off to the side here, I'm going to figure out f of 9 on its own. F of 9 says I would get 9 squared plus 3 times 9. 81 and 27 is 108. So this is going to equal g of 108. And then off to the side again, I might go, okay, well, what is g of 108? That's going to be negative 2 times 108 plus 1. And you get negative 215. Awesome. So again, you plug it into one equation first, get the answer, then that answer gets plugged in to the second equation. And circle questions 6, 8, and 9.